Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add media into WordPress, whether it be images, audio, videos or a PDF. We'll upload them into the media library, which you can see on screen here. You can look at the media library in two different ways. You can look at it as a list or you can look at it as a grid. You can also use this filter here to search for images, search for audio, search for videos, search for documents, and so on. If we go back to all media items, you can also search for all dates. So there's only ones that have been uploaded in October, but if there was more dates you could filter by that also. And if you know what you've called an image, you can search up at the top there. So now you know what the WordPress Media Library is. Let's have a look at adding an image into it. So first of all, go into your WordPress dashboard and then go to Media. By clicking Add New at the top here, you can choose a file. So let's choose an image. This image is available in the description. You can click on the link and you can download it. So that's it uploaded. You can then give it alternative text and different descriptions, which will help with search engine optimization. If, for example, you want to delete it, just hit delete permanently there, and then you can delete it. Now let's upload an audio file. So let's choose the file. And there it is, uploaded. Again, you can click into it and you can say who the artist was or the album, give it a caption, change the description. And again, if you want to delete it, just click delete permanently there. Now let's have a look at how you can add a video into the media library. Again, just choose add new and then select files. And then you can pick the video, choose open. Now it's just uploading. Just be careful what videos you upload into your website, because a larger video will take more resource in terms of storage. Right, it's uploaded now. Let's have a look at that. So you can click play if you want. If you want to delete it, just click delete permanently again. Now let's have a look and see how you can upload a PDF. So again, click Add New, then choose Select Files, and then choose the PDF. Choose Open, and there it is. It's uploaded. You can give it a caption, description, change the title if you like. But if you click on this option here, View Attached Page, it'll show you what it's going to look like on a page. Then you can scroll down, have a look there. Just go back and then close that down. Yeah, so that's the main ones uploaded. If you take this here, for example, say you wanted to delete multiple media files, you can do that by choosing the option Bulk Select. And then you can choose the different files that you want to delete and then just click delete permanently. If, for example, you wanted to delete all of the files, you can choose the option to bulk select and then click on it and press the shift key and then click on the bottom one. And if you hit delete permanently, it'll delete all of them. If you don't want to do that, just click cancel. Now let's have a look how you can add these into posts, or it works the same with pages, but we'll cover posts. So if you go into the post section and you create a new post, you can choose to add in the different options. So just click plus here, and if we click browse all, you can choose the different media types you want to add in. So the first one, we'll add an image in. we'll choose from the media library. If you were going to upload it straight from your computer, you can choose upload, but we've already uploaded it, so we'll choose the media library. So let's choose the image and click select. And let's add in some audio. So if we go down to the media section here, choose audio, choose media library, and choose the sound. That's then added in. Now let's add in the video. Choose video here, choose the media library. And there, it's added in. And if you want to add a PDF in, you can do that also. So if you click again, add the block, choose browse all. And then when you go down to media, choose file. And then click media library. And then you can choose the file. And there it is. Then you can click through the different options. But there's also the option to download. So if we save the page and then go to preview and preview a new tab, you can see there's the image that we uploaded earlier. There's the sound, so you can play it. There's the video, you can also play that. And then here is the PDF, which you can go through on screen. You can scroll down, you can zoom in, you can download it from the page, you can print it, you can choose different options. And then of course, you can download it. If you want to remove media items in a post or page, you can do so by doing the following. So if you go up to the top of the post and you click in the box, you can click those three dots and then choose remove block. If you want to remove a whole load at the same time, click in it and then hold the shift key down, go down towards the bottom, click in the shift key, then choose these three dots and then choose remove blocks. I'll now show you how you can upload them without going through the media library. So first of all, we'll add in an image. Let's click on browse all and then go down to the media section and choose image. And let's upload. Let's choose the image, choose open. There it is. Let's add in the next one. Click on browse all. Scroll down to media. And let's add in audio. Click on upload. Click on upload. Choose the audio. Let's add in another one. Let's choose the video. So again, scroll down to media. And let's add in video. Click on upload. Click on upload. Choose the video. And then finally, let's add in the PDF. Go down to media and choose file. Click on upload, click on upload. And choose the PDF. If you want to follow along, the link's in the description for all of those media types that you can quickly download. Let's just save the page and let's have a look at it. So there's the image, there's the sound, there's the video, and there's the PDF which you can scroll through. You can also zoom, download and print and choose different options. So you now know how to add different media files, whether it be images, audio, videos, PDFs, into WordPress, and also add them into posts and pages. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe for future videos just like these. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.